How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a proper step-by-step guide for how we can apply for a job over at Doordash. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and Doordash themselves have actually provided a written guide for how you can get to sign up for a job over at their company. So to do so is quite simple, and I'll be walking you guys through every step of the sign up process and explaining things as I go. So normally, if you guys want to apply for DoorDash, you would have to go to this page right here. So it's dasher.doordash.com. Now this will actually take you to the sign up page where you're able to apply for a job at DoorDash over at your location. So here it'll show you the details of how much you can earn, the different methods of delivering stuff to people and whatnot. The requirements that are listed here are the things that you need to actually be eligible for becoming a DoorDasher. And yes, it's pretty straightforward, but there are some other details and conditions that we need to get out of the way first before we become a DoorDasher. So with all that said, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the sign up page, the page I was just on, like I said, and normally, yeah, that's what it looked like, but on mobile, this is what it looks like. So the first step is to actually enter our address or where we're located. So that's the city, the state, and the country, the address and whatnot, as well as the zip code. And it looks a little something like this. So basically just enter your email address, phone number, and zip code to register. And when you do, the next thing that you need to do is submit your profile information, including your full name and password. So it looks a little something like this. So you would enter your name, yada yada, the usual things that you come across when you sign up for an account at anything. So your name, password. Now we're ready for the next step. So here's where the sign up process gets a little more interesting. The options available to you when it comes to delivering your DoorDash will differ based on your means. So the app or the sign up page will actually ask what type of vehicle you're using. So if you're using a car, then obviously it'll give you options to deliver to places that are much farther and not achievable on foot. So if you select car, normally you would be asked to add your vehicle details. So it would look a little something like this. So it would ask what type of car build you have, maybe it's a coupe or a sedan, an SUV or whatnot. So once you fill out the details, click on next or continue, and you can even go into detail about the brand of the car, the make, the model, the color, and whatnot, and just simply click on continue. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you need to complete an identity verification to help ensure that you are you. So this is just for security purposes. So you need to upload a valid government ID. So this could be an employee ID or a driver's license, basically anything to track you. And besides, if you're going to apply for DoorDash and you have a car, then you would have a driver's license in the first place. So, but here's what you need to do. Hold on. So basically, just upload a file of your driver's license as well as a picture, a selfie if you're a selfie of you with your driver's license. Even says so here. Hold on. So you need to take a selfie to match the picture and the ID. So here we are. So what you need to do is submit a background check. I mean, this is after you've taken a picture of yourself and your ID. So we're basically just going to have DoorDash run a background check on you to ensure that the vehicle you entered is enlisted or registered under your name. And this is also to check that you don't have any criminal records that may prevent you from signing up with DoorDash. So to give you guys a quick overview, as part of our commitment to help protect the DoorDash community, we're constantly evaluating new ways to help promote safety on the platform. So anyone signing up on DoorDash must pass a secure background check before gaining access to the platform. And this is important just to make sure that we don't get any potential criminals or troublemakers to sign up for DoorDash, because if anyone can sign up, then that'd just entice trouble. So, like I said, step 5, background check, and they have to be they have to consist of the following: a motor vehicle report. So, if you have indicated that you'll be using a motor vehicle to dash, you would need to have a motor vehicle report as well as a criminal history report. So most background checks complete within a day, but some may take up to a week or longer. So that really depends on their DoorDash's availability as well as how dense your records are. So it looks a little something like this. So driver's license, where you are, date of birth, your SSN or social security number, and just to type it down again to confirm it. Click on next, and yada yada, the usual details that you need to fill to give authorization, and click on continue. So once you're done with all of that, you can choose your preferred payout method to receive your earnings by selecting either instantly or weekly option. And to give you guys a bit of detail on the difference between the two, so actually check it out here. Instantly, you get paid after every dash by signing up for a free Dash Direct Business Visa prepaid debit card. Whereas weekly, you get paid every Monday using any bank account with the option to cash out once a day for a $2 fee or $1.99 fee. So if you guys wanted it instantly, you would have to set up a Visa prepaid debit card that is tied to DoorDash's Dasher Direct business card. But if you had it set to weekly, then it could work with any bank account with the additional fee of $2. So moving on, once you've selected your preferred payout method, so stuff like signing up. Let's actually check it out here. Here we are. So this one's for the weekly method. This. So every detail that they need that pertains to your account to make sure that you're getting paid. So once all of that's done, we're going to finish signing up, and to do so, basically just once you're through with setting up your bank account, click on download the DoorDash app. It looks like this. Now on desktop, I believe you would only need to log into the website, and it'd be the same thing. So to finish signing up, download the DoorDasher app and start dashing. So on your smartphone, just download the app, and you would be good to go. And as an added bonus, if you're new to the platform, you do get a free welcome gift for every first time sign up. So the free welcome gift contains a red card, and there are more details on that and what the card actually contains. But yeah, that's how you sign up to become a DoorDasher for DoorDash. So hopefully this guide helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show or support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.